Hello, traders. It is Andy from Trade Ideas. It is September 14th on a Thursday, and taking a look at the market. Another kind of gap up. I have a hard time trusting these gap ups. You can see we're trying to gap out of this tight range. I'd rather see us, if you're bullish, to see us trade above this, but nonetheless, it is the market we have. The wedge is still intact. See if we can break out of this wedge, but be careful. I'm still in the camp that you can get the prices you want. Don't be chasing, in my opinion, in this market. All right, let's take a look at some setups today. Looking at a couple of China plays that have been setting up good. I'm actually in this TIGR. I've been in for a couple of days off the 10-period moving average. And you can see it's been riding this 10-period moving average. You had earnings and a nice move there in TIGR. And if it does get above this level right there where my price alert is, could easily go to monthly highs there. Another one in that same kind of sector is Futu. And you're going to see a very similar chart in this Futu. Now, it's under pressure here, so I'd like to see it back above that 10-period moving average, but it's definitely one that I'm watching. A little bit different kind of an idea here is this INTAP may be forming a kind of a cup and handle on the long-term frame, on the daily time frame. So here is you can see the kind of cup there, and this could be the bottom part of a handle. So looking for a bar reversal through yesterday's high that would put it back above the 10-period moving average. Like I said, kind of inside the box, but it was recently hitting a multi-week high, has pulled back, filled the gap. I like when they fill the gap and then reverse. So keep an eye on that. All right, there's a couple of more out there. Just don't have time for it. You guys keep it tight, wait for your price, and have a great day. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Actually, I'm off tomorrow. I'll talk to you Monday. Bye-bye.